with it. I think it's brilliant. As we're friends and we've been friends all day, eventually the friendship was turned to
enemies.
yes, brilliant.
All right, can I have you guys up front? It's time for the next game. Change the floor. Before I reveal game 3, I need each of you to pair up into groups of 3. Once you have your team of 3, just stand in a square. The colors do not matter.
Come on, music group. Come on, Scott.
Musicians unite. Can we go in pink?
You can team up based on actors, musicians, or just, throw random people in a cube. So, old foreigners. This is just basically like, this is the outcast.
The outcast.
The non-Americans that are old.
I was born in England.
Okay. Why this team over here?
Obviously, you guys are all really famous musicians.
We're working on a song.
Yeah.
All 3 of you?
Yeah, right
Yeah.
now.
Oh, really?
With our minds.
What caused this group to come together?
We all made eye contact and just said, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping like it's who could eat a sandwich the fastest.
What would you say the pros of this team is?
Can we start with the cons?
Now that everyone has a team, cut the lights. The next game is a cooking challenge.
How did you do that?
This is insane.
Who dressed me? No, Steve-O, no.
I know, I've got this. Don't worry.
Steve-O.
Don't worry.
No.
It's
Steve-O.
okay, here we go.
No, Steve-O, no. No.
Oh,
Whoa. Let's go.
Disqualification.
Do not try that trick at home.
everyone, you ready to meet the judges?